remote control floor cleaning machine. So this is the battery, 12 volt 7 Ah, it has rechargeable battery. You want to connect the battery here. Then this is the IR remote. So this is the receiver circuit. This is a Arduino microcontroller. This is power supply, 12 volt to 5 volt power supply. Relay, 8 relay, 1 for forward, 2 for reverse. One for forward, 2 for reverse, 3 for left, 4 for right. So these are the, you want to connect like that. This is the same thing working because that this is the IR remote control. So then 5 for
oil.
Here this is the vacuum cleaner. So 12 volt, 3000 watt vacuum cleaner. Here we are in the sand. So this is the sand. This will be sucking that this type of scrap and thing. And this is the storage tank. Then 6 bar mop, cleaning the mop. Then 7 for brush. So this is the removal
Tray.
tray. And so the bolt nut is there. You got to remove the bolt nut and you got to remove the tray and it will be kept in that one. Then 8 for fan. So this is the concept. So you got to on all the things. 5 blower. 5 for blower, 6 for mopping, 7 for brushing, 8 for fan. Then you have to move like that. So this is the, you go to 5, 6, 7, 8 means it will 4 will on. Then you go to movement 1 for forward, 2 for reverse, 3 for left, 4 for right. So we have the DC motor. This is the DC motor. 12 volt, 90 watt, 60 RPM, permanent DC motor. Then spurging mechanism, 1:3 ratio spurging mechanism. Back wheel 18 diameter rubber wheel. Shaft 15 diameter shaft. Bearing area, bearing 6 to 0 to ball bearing. Similarly, front wheel 3 inch nylon roller wheel. Then this is the brush of 4 inch diameter brush, 1 feet length. This sheet metal tray. These are the same DC motor. So this is the floor cleaning mop. Here you go to put the water and you go to tip into the here. This is tip into the water. You go to drop by drop. This is dropping. So this is the 2 liter can. This is the DC motor for 12 volt, 90 watts, 3000 RPM. For that floor cleaning and the fan, both are same specification. 12 volt to 90 watts, 3000 RPM. So this is 12 volt to 40 watts, 3000 RPM for scrap content floor cleaning. The frame are made up of mild steel. Total length of the frame is 3 feet length, 1.5 feet breadth, 1.5 feet height. So this is the total frame size. Frame are made up of mild steel, L angle, 1 inch into 1 inch thickness, L shape on the frame. So these are the remote control, IR remote control, IR receiver. This is the IR receiver. So this is the IR receiver. This is the Arduino mother. This is the 12 volt to 5 volt power reduction. 8 relay. This forward, reverse, left, right. This is for 5 for vacuum cleaner, 6 that one, 7 plus 8 this one. The 4 relay is 4 operation. The forward, reverse, left, right is 4 relay. So totally 8 relay we are using here. So this is the concept of remote control for cleaning machine.